All right, guys, let's do break number 7 of Gold Rush Football Vault. This is pack number 7 altogether. So the second pack out of this new 3-pack box that we just opened. So same deal as break number 6 we just did. Every spot gives you 2 random last name letters. So 10 spots altogether. Tony's got 1 in this. Chris P with 1. Dan's got 2. And then Doug, you've got 6 spots in this one. All right, so let's go ahead and randomize the last name letters. So let's mix it up 5 times. All right, let's go ahead and mix up the last name letters too. All right, here we go. So Chris, you've got last name letters F and S. Dan's got K, G, R, and L. Doug's got B, C, T, N, H, D, A, J, E, P, M, and V. And then Tony, you've got Y and W. All right, let's go to the next pack here. Still got 1 left in the bottom. Oh, how about a Cam Newton rookie auto? Nice one here, Carolina Panthers. This is from 2011, totally certified. Last name N on that, that's going to be Doug. Doug, nice pull for you, man. It's going to be numbered to 175. Nice card. All right, so Doug's scoring the second hit out of Gold Rush. So we got 1 pack left. In all honesty, feels like a graded card. So if you guys, we can go ahead and fill it if you guys want to. We'll still do 15 a spot. So if you want to fill that last one up, let me know, and we can break that tonight as well.